Today we are going to explain to you how to start a plant-based diet for weight loss, and the 5 best ways to lose weight from it. So watch the entire video that will help you to understand the right way to start a plant-based diet, so you can lose weight really fast and correct way. And point number 3 is really important, so don't miss it. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Point number 1: eat the rainbow and don't stress over deficiencies. Except for vitamin B12, almost you will get rest other nutrition and things from the plant-based diet. So when you are going to start the plant-based diet, you need some planning. Like, you are not eating meat but your body needs a good plant-based source of protein, which may include things like nuts and tempeh. Rest other things like omega-3s, iron, calcium kind of things you will get from the plants. But to get all the nutrition, your food must include all the colorful plants which you are eating. This is the best way to start losing weight, by consuming all the proteins and vitamins. Point number 2: transition slowly. Might be you have heard the quote, slow and steady wins the race. The same way you have to do here. How? Let me explain to you. Making sudden too many changes in your life may result in frustration and overwhelming. And our body is not going to support it the correct way. If you just try to push yourself too much, it will end up with the quit. And due to it, you will get back to your old routine. Because certain times we are not able to handle sudden fast changes in routine. So I suggest starting by replacing 3 meals per week. And once your body and mind are ready, you can follow a plant-based diet with full force. Now I am going to tell you the secret which I promised you at the beginning of the video. The best thing which can help you to lose weight with a plant-based diet. Point number 3: don't skip the meal. Yes, you heard the right. If your mind is full of thoughts to lose weight, and you are thinking, I want to lose weight anyhow, so, in that case, most of the people think to skip their meals. But I can say, don't do this to yourself. By skipping meals can be more problematic for you, because your body is going to weak, and you will feel a lack of energy inside you. So how you can deal with it? Instead of skipping the meal, I would suggest you replace the meal. Yes, replace your junk meal with healthy food, which help you to charge up your energy, and on the other hand you will lose weight as well. Hope this is now clear to you. As I told you, it will surely help you and blow your mind. If you have a suggestion on this, please leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. Now let's move ahead with the rest other plant-based points which can help you to lose weight. Point 4: snack when you are hungry. It seems that most people advise snack is the enemy for you to lose your weight. But just ask yourself one question. Is snacking still wrong if you are going to have the right food? If you find yourself that you are hungry, it means your body has badly required some food. But in that case, don't just go and have some junk food. Instead of that, try to replace it with vegetables, fruit and nuts. And if you are the kind of person who always eats between meals, then you should always bring some high-quality whole food snacks handy. After all, a piece of nuts isn't going to fill your tummy. So carry the right snack with you all the time. Point 5: the most important point: don't give up. Most people, when they start a plant-based diet to lose weight, they quit within a month. Yes, they don't even follow it for a month and they quit. They are thinking the diet is not giving them the results, and they are not losing weight. But ask yourself a question. Have you stopped consuming junk food? Are you having good food at home instead of outside? Are you consuming enough green leafy things which can help you to control your weight? And the answer is no, then change it. So you can get good results with the plant-based diet in your weight loss journey. The point you should remember, and let's sum it up. go with the rainbow diet to lose weight. Transition slowly into your plant-based diet for weight loss. Avoid skipping meals. Snack healthy when you feel hungry. And don't quit, just give your best to make it happen. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment below. Share this video with your family and friends and help them with the information. I am always going to give good health related information on my channel, which can help you in your weight loss journey or rest other health related information. And if you are health conscious and want to stay healthy this year, you can subscribe to our channel, which will help you to stay more healthy. You can follow us on the Instagram, link is in the description below. So thank you so much to watch this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon, bye.